say, after 41 years of doing this work, I view my job, I have one job, and that's to get you not to save and invest more money, but to get you to spend your money right now, this moment, because this is the healthiest you're ever going to be, right? Oh, right now. Okay, right now, right? And I'd say, I don't care if you're 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, or 93 and a half like my mother. If you don't have a mindset about enjoying along the way, think about the clients you and I work with that they're now, 50, 60, 70. I was on yesterday with a client of mine. He's 80. His wife is 80. He was worried about the market and the volatility. He's been a client for 20 years. And, we had a great conversation. And then he leans into the Zoom and he says, "It's really Lorraine. She won't spend any money. I can't get her to enjoy the money." So I said, "Well, let's get Lorraine on." And I said to her, "Lorraine, you have only one job. Go out and spend some money." Right?
I would say it's certainly a challenge with many people where if you do money guide or any type of planning where they give you projections and you see your goals are funded 99%, that's someone who's often living in fear, or they just have a boatload of money, which is okay too. But for a lot of people, it's because they're living in fear of spending money. They're worried about running out of money, or they think they can predict the market. And there's no joy in that. What's the point of dying with millions of dollars if all you did was sit around thinking, well, you know what, if worst case scenario happens, I'll probably be okay. I mean, that's not the goal of financial planning. So
No.
you do have to enjoy it.